graduation speaker today. She is living proof that no dream is too distant, no goal is too bold, and no obstacle is too great when passion and perseverance fuel your journey. She was born in the quiet town of Paningayan, Colasi, Antique, and raised in Betatan Sur, Colasi, Antique. She is the daughter of Mr. Federico Autahay and Mrs. Felicula Talde Arcillas Autahay, the youngest among 4 siblings, but she grew up with a heart and spirit that soared beyond the mountains and the seas of her hometown. From a young age, she already knew that success isn't handed to you. You work for it, you fight for it, and you earn it. Her educational journey is nothing short of inspiring. She finished her primary education at Paningayan Primary School in 1977 and elementary education at Bitadan Elementary School in 1981, and eventually graduated at Bitadan Barangay High School, now the Bitadan National High School, in 1985. She balanced life's toughest challenges, working while studying, never backing down. And in 1992, she proudly graduated from Adamson University with a bachelor's degree in commerce, majoring in accounting, a moment that marked just the beginning of her amazing journey. Professionally, she has built an impressive career. She began as a storekeeper at a seafood market and restaurant in 1988 to 1994. Then moved on to work as staff accountant at Coco Manila Food Corporation in 1994 to 1996. She has also ventured into part-time roles in sales and marketing with Philcraft Philippines and Tupperware Philippines, and as a sales underwriter for Country Bunker Life Insurance Corporation. 96 to present, she continues to excel at Transamerica Saipan Corporation as an accountant. Along the way, she hustled with side ventures, sales, marketing, and insurance, proving that true success is built by those who are persistent, determined, and willing to wear many hats. But she didn't stop at personal success. She gave back, she led, she inspired. Throughout her journey, leadership and service have been at the heart of everything she does. As a student, she was an active leader during her high school and college days. As a mother and a member of the community, she became vice president of the Parent-Teacher-Student Association at Green Meadow School and president of the Parent-Teacher-Student Association at Green Meadow School in Middle School Department. She also earned multiple awards as a Parent Leader Awardee at Green Meadow School in 2015 and 2017 and 2019. Also, a Parent Leader Awardee in 2015 and 2019 given by Division of Youth Services, Saipan Chapter. She was an active member of Couples for Christ, Saipan Chapter, and professional organizations like Mariana's Institute of Filipino CPAs and Accountants. She is not just a leader, she is a movement. She founded the LG Eagles Global Team Saipan, doing business as Live Good affiliates, a coach and a mentor of future entrepreneurs at Live Good, and even shares her journey as a YouTube content creator through Gem's style journey. Above all, she is a proud mother of 4 and a loving grandmother of 2 and a devoted wife of Mr. Wilfredo Pamintuan, a woman who knows us that leadership starts at home and radiates to the world. Today, we honor, blessed, and inspired to have her with us. All the way from Saipan, please give a thunderous round of applause to our remarkable graduation speaker, Miss Gemma Autahay Pamintuan.
Thank you for that wonderful